Mealtimes aren't just about eating. They're about learning, growing, and exploring the world around them. That's why we created Bibado Coverall, to give your little ones the freedom to discover the joy of independent eating without limits and without the worry of mess. Bibado Coveralls are designed to make every bite count, helping your child explore their curiosity and build confidence at every mealtime. It's not just a coverall, it's the ultimate tool to nurture curious, confident eaters while you can be sure that they remain spotlessly clean and dry underneath, however messy their meal may be. Join the hundreds of thousands of parents who've made mealtime easier and more fun, and start weaning with meaning today. Explore, learn, grow with Bibado.